Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year. I hope you all had a fantastic festive season and that you enjoyed spending time with your families and friends. Today I'm going to share with you a recipe. So these are beetroot noodles. Beetroot is actually one of my least favourite vegetables, but I decided to start the new year by trying things out again, seeing if I've changed my mind. And I saw this Nigella recipe which uses beetroot juice, so I thought, hey, let's give this a go and see whether I can be persuaded to like beetroot. The noodles are very vibrant purple colour and I thought they looked really eye-catching, so let me show you how I made them. So what you're going to want to do is add your noodle of choice into your boiling water and get that boiled around halfway. So you don't want them fully cooked, you only want them boiled halfway because they're going to do the rest of the cooking in the beetroot liquid. So I'm just going to set that aside, let that boil, and I'm going to go ahead and add my beetroot juice. So this is cold pressed beetroot juice, and you're going to want to add that to the pan. I'm really bad, I don't really like measuring stuff. I was supposed to use 350 millilitres, so I just went by what the total amount I had in that little carton was, and then I sort of tried to guesstimate how much I needed. But please do measure because you don't want to end up with too much of the beetroot sauce. So I added that in, and then I went ahead and I squeezed in half a lime into it. Make sure you don't accidentally drop it into the sauce as I did. And yeah, so just add your lime. It's going to give it a really nice, light and fresh taste. I also went in with my garlic and ginger puree. Please do add fresh garlic and ginger. It really doesn't matter. Just add whatever you have in the house. And then I'm also giving it some salt to taste. And some red chili flakes. So I quite like my food spicy, so I added quite a bit, but please add whatever you can handle. And then I went ahead and I added a little bit more garlic just because I wanted it to have more of a garlic flavour. And then you're just going to want to let that boil for around 5 minutes. Let all of the seasonings that you've added just incorporate into the sauce. By this point, my pasta has sort of cooked halfway, so I decided to add it in into the beetroot mixture. And you're literally just going to want to stir it in. You'd be surprised how quickly it just takes on that beetroot sort of colouring and flavour, and it just basically all absorbs in. I think I did have slightly too much beetroot juice, which is because I didn't measure it, so make sure you measure, guys. But as you can see, it actually absorbs a lot of the beetroot juice. So I decided just to give it a quick taste, just to see whether my seasonings were okay or whether it needed a bit more. I then went in with a tablespoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of fish sauce, and then also a tablespoon of rice wine vinegar, if I can get it out of the bottle. And then you're just going to want to give that a good mix. I then top with some additional chili flakes, and last but not least, some fresh coriander. And that's it, guys. It is literally like, I want to say, a 15-minute recipe. It's so quick and they're really vibrant and eye-catching, so I would definitely give this a try. Whether you're a massive lover of beetroot or, like me, if you're not the biggest fan of beetroot, because you'll be amazed at how these noodles turned out. So yeah, I'm just going to give them a quick try for you on camera, and you guys let me know what you think. Guys, honestly, I really like how this tastes. And the colour, look at that red colour. It's so vibrant. I don't think I've ever had noodles this colour before. So yeah, they definitely look really cool. And the taste is really good. Like once you add in all the garlic and the ginger, the fish sauce, the soy sauce, the rice wine vinegar, and obviously the sesame oil, it gives it just a really nice flavour. And the chili flakes obviously give it a really good kick. I like spice, so I definitely added more than was probably needed, but these taste really good, honestly. I thought it was going to be a bit of a gimmicky, sort of Instagrammable type dish, but it definitely tastes good. I'm definitely going to finish this whole bowl. So that's a wrap on the ruby noodles from Nigella. It was a really simple recipe. I was a bit worried when I started boiling the beetroot juice because I think it smelled kind of funny. But once I'd added all the seasonings like the ginger, the garlic, soy sauce, it all came together. And honestly, I've already tried it from the pan and it tastes really good. So yeah, I definitely recommend it.